Right, so take a look at this map to really show you what's going on. We are talking about naturally occurring asbestos found in sediment running off of Sumas Mountain, and this week's flooding is carrying that asbestos to low-lying areas west of that mountain. And health officials say those who live near those flooded areas should be careful.
You can blame it on this slow-moving landslide on Sumas Mountain. Much of the sediment is composed of serpentinite bedrock, which can contain a natural form of asbestos.
It's been a chronic issue for Whatcom County to deal with for going back decades.
Chris Matthews is a hydrogeologist for the Washington Department of Ecology.
And as that material breaks up and is partitioned and has been carried as sediment downstream, the asbestos material comes out and is suspended in the water and is carried downstream and distributed around the landscape when the creek floods.
Downstream are the communities of Everson, Nooksack, and Sumas, areas hit hard by recent flooding.
Flood events like this are obviously accelerate that process and make it critical like it is now.
Asbestos is something to be concerned about and take seriously, but there's no need to panic.
The Whatcom County Health Department says people near these areas should assume floodwater runoff from Swift Creek and the Sumas River will contain asbestos.
You want to make sure you're keeping it out of your house.
The health department advises anyone cleaning up during or after flooding should wear a respirator. A COVID face mask won't cut it. And rinse off shoes after walking through flood deposits. Also, dampen dried up flood soil before digging or moving it to avoid releasing contaminated dust in the air.
When it's in its wet state, it doesn't pose the same sort of threat.
A fix is in progress. Rather than stop the landslide, the Ecology Department and Whatcom County Public Works are working to slow the sediment from washing down.
You're slowing it and controlling it and storing it in a safe way.
So construction on that mitigation project is set to resume this summer and is expected to be an ongoing project for several years. Back to you.